Hello friends, welcome back once again to our channel. Today I'm bringing for you another interesting and useful video. And I hope it's going to be really amazing video. A lot of times you found a video clip with a very beautiful background music. You might want to use the audio for making another video or just listening, but you don't know how to extract the audio from the video clip. It's quite disappointing, right? So, today's topic is on how can you easily extract the audio from any video clip. So before we start the video, please consider subscribing our channel. We are on our way to bring new, interesting, and helpful videos for you guys. So let's start today's video with step-by-step tutorial. So be ready to learn with full attention. Here is a short video clip about cars, so watch this first. This is a short video of only 30 seconds, but you can apply this method to any video of any length. I love the background music in this video clip, and I want to extract the audio file separately from the video. You can do this with any video of any length. For this, you need an application. To download the application, go to any search engine or Microsoft Store and search VLC Media Player and download it. Once you have done the download process, enter the application. Here is what the application looks like. It's an easy-to-navigate interface. So basically what we are going to do is to convert the video file to an audio file separately. For this, you can do it in two different ways. The first one is to click on Playlist and right-click on the drop-down area in the middle here. Click on Add File. Choose the video clip. For me, I'm choosing this car's video. You can double-click on the video or simply click on Open after choosing the video to import. Now our video is imported into the VLC Media Player. The next step is to right-click on it, then click on Save. Then to choose the format. For our video, it is audio, mp3. Then choose where you want to save your file by clicking on Browse in the Destination section. For me, I want to save it in Music folder. You can also rename the file, but I am letting this name be the same. Click on Save, then click on Start. Now the extracting and converting process is completed. The time it may take differs according to your file size. So let's see if the new file is in our Music folder. I'm opening File Explorer and I'm entering Music folder. Here I can find my new audio file. So let's see if I can play the audio. Yes, the audio is playable. Alternatively, you can also do this by clicking on Media on the top left corner and click on Convert Save. Choose your file. Click on Convert and Save. Choose the destination folder. I'm choosing Music folder as the destination folder, but this time, I'm giving this file a new name, Supercars. Click Save and then Start. Now the process is completed. Back to the File Explorer, here is our audio file in the Music folder. So I hope this video helped you to extract your favorite music from the video clip. Thanks for watching. And also let me know if this video helped you or not in the comments section down below.